How to restore Facebook Messenger chat without PIN. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, once you have opened Messenger, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will see the option for settings. Tap on the settings option, and now in the settings page, go ahead and scroll down, and you will see the option for privacy and safety. Tap on it. Here, go ahead and navigate to the end-to-end encrypted chats option you see there, and further here you will see the option for message storage. Tap on it, and now if you don't remember your chat PIN, then you can tap on the reset PIN option you see there, and further you will be required to create a new PIN. So go ahead and create a new PIN and make sure to re-enter the same PIN later. Finally, tap on the submit option on the top right of your screen, and with this, the process for restoring your Facebook Messenger chat will begin without the PIN. So this was about how you can restore Facebook Messenger chats without the PIN. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.